Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Lee 4-hole turret is probably one of the most versatile and popular reloading presses on the market, offering a balance of speed, accuracy, and affordability that makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced reloaders alike. And today we are going to deep dive into this amazing press and see what makes it so special, and if it is the right press for you. Number 5. Lee Precision 90269 Turret Press. Introducing the Lee Precision 90269 Classic 4-hole turret press. It's designed to make caliber changes quick and easy, saving you valuable time at the reloading bench. Switching calibers is a breeze with this turret press. Its innovative design allows for fast and efficient changes, maximizing your reloading workflow. This press is built to last. It features a robust, durable design that can handle the rigors of consistent use. Even beginners will find it simple to operate. The intuitive design makes reloading a straightforward process. Spend less time changing calibers and more time reloading. It's a must-have for any serious reloader. The Lee Precision 90269 turret press comes in compact packaging, 4 inches high, 6 inches long, and 6 inches wide. What we like. It's built to withstand years of use. Changing calibers is a breeze with its innovative design. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use press for frequent caliber changes, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfect in the Lee Classic Turret Press. Fit the press, easy setup. Purchased this and another set of dies so I didn't have to keep changing the dies in the same turret. If you are reloading 2 different calibers, it makes it much simpler to just change to another turret fitted with a different set of dies. Number 4. Lee Precision 6.5 Creedmoor 4 Die Set. Introducing the Lee Precision Reloading Die Set, perfect for the 6.5 Creedmoor cartridge. It's a comprehensive kit for all your reloading needs. This set includes everything you need. You get a sizer, mouth expander, seater, and crimp die, ensuring perfectly formed ammunition. The sizing die ensures consistent cartridge sizing, crucial for reliable feeding and accuracy. It's built to Lee's exacting standards. The mouth expander die prepares your cases for bullet seating, making the process smoother and more efficient. It's designed for precision and ease of use. The seater die precisely positions the bullet, ensuring consistent overall cartridge length and optimal accuracy. Get consistent, reliable results every time. Finally, the crimp die secures the bullet in place, preventing movement during firing and ensuring reliable performance. It's the final step for perfect ammunition. What we like. This one comes with everything you need to start reloading 6.5 Creedmoor. It includes 4 essential dies for a complete reloading process. If you're looking for a convenient and comprehensive kit for a specific caliber, this is an excellent choice. What people say. A complete set containing all that is needed to add a new caliber. Just buy the complete set, only once, and be ready to go. Colorful instructions are included, as well as a sturdy common-sized case and a questionably necessary powder dipper. The addition of the roller handle on this model is quite nice. From pistol rounds through .223 rifle, the auto-indexed turret works flawlessly. It's the perfect combination of progressive and turret press. It operates smoothly and easily with no hiccups. It advances like a dream, like a good progressing should, but allows you to concentrate on one round at a time. Number 3. Lee Precision Gunsmithing Kit. This kit has everything you need to start gunsmithing. It's compact and easy to use, perfect for beginners and experts alike. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. You'll find all the essential tools neatly organized for convenient access. It includes precision-engineered tools built to last. They're designed for accuracy and durability, ensuring a smooth gunsmithing experience. This kit is incredibly user-friendly, regardless of your skill level. The intuitive design makes even complex tasks manageable. It's proudly made in the United States, upholding the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. You can trust in its reliability. Its compact size makes it perfect for taking with you wherever you go. The lightweight design ensures easy portability. With this kit, you can start your gunsmithing journey today. It's the perfect investment for any enthusiast. What we like. This is a high-quality product made in the USA. It's built to last and is perfect for any shooter. If you value American-made products and durable construction, this is the option for you. What people say. Use with the included and brand-matching lube for easiest and best results. This press is good quality and easy to use, with a little reading in some patients I was reloading the first day. The auto drum powder measure is awesome and very accurate. For target loads it does great and throws consistent charges every time. Number 2. Lee Precision 17 Hornet PaceSetter. Introducing the Lee Precision 17 Hornet PaceSetter 3-die set, your complete solution for reloading 17 Hornet ammunition. It's designed for accuracy and ease of use, making reloading a smooth process. This set includes a full-length sizing die, ensuring your cases are perfectly sized for consistent performance. It's a crucial component for reliable and accurate reloading. The Easy Adjust Dead Length Bullet Seating Die allows for precise bullet seating depth adjustment. This ensures consistent bullet placement for optimal accuracy and reliable feeding. The factory crimp die provides a secure crimp on your loaded rounds, preventing bullet setback and ensuring reliable feeding in your firearm. It's the final touch for perfectly loaded ammunition. It's made from high-quality materials for durability and long-lasting performance. You can trust it to handle the demands of consistent reloading. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need to get started: a universal shell holder, powder dipper, and detailed instructions with load data. Everything is included for a seamless reloading experience. What we like. It comes with everything you need to get started, including a full set of dies and extra accessories. It's made from high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. If you're starting out and want a complete kit with quality components, this is a great option. What people say. It has performed flawlessly. The instructions are very basic, perhaps lacking details that some users may need. But an operator with some reloading experience can set up the unit without too much difficulty and to their own preferred process. The spent primer collector tube is a great idea, but you need to have the priming arm in place so the primers fall into the tube. The other excellent feature is that once you have your dies set in a turret they can remain there. Just remove the turret and replace it with another turret set up for a different caliber, no resetting dies every time you want to reload a different cartridge. Setup was easy, just follow the instructions. Once you do it's amazing. Get the auto powder and powder dies from Lee. Pistol calibers go smoothly. Turret presses greatly simplified my reloading experience. I got this press for Father's Days and is tighter and more heavily built. Number 1. Lee Precision Value Turret Kit 90928. This kit is a great value for reloaders of all skill levels. It's easy to use and built to last. The 4-hole turret design allows for quick and efficient reloading. You'll save time and effort with each use. Included is the Lee Safely Scale, ensuring accurate and safe powder measurements every time. Your safety is our priority. It easily converts to a single station press if needed. This versatility makes it perfect for various reloading tasks. It's built with heavy-duty construction for long-lasting performance and reliability. You can count on it for years to come. It's designed for ease of use and maintenance. You'll spend less time troubleshooting and more time reloading. What we like. This press is incredibly robust and can handle heavy use. The auto index feature can be easily disabled for single-stage operation. If you need a versatile and durable press with added features, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great upgrade from my single-stage press, came with lots of tools that I needed: case trimmer, primer cleaner, case deburring tool. The auto drum powder measure was extremely accurate with pistol powder and much faster than scooping and weighing. The press was smooth, a little play in the die head but not enough to affect anything. Overall awesome low-budget press that cut my reloading time in half. Very happy with it. If you are into reloading and want to be able to drop 200 to 300 rounds in a short amount in time and without much effort, then this press will do the job. I've already run 2 500+ rounds through it in 3 calibers, .45 ACP, .357 mag, and 9mm. Changing from one caliber to another is a snap, Simply swap out one turret full of dies with the next caliber, check your powder measurement, and away you go. Lee 4-hole turret deluxe press value kit with auto index. This is an all-around kit that is easy to install and easy to use. The manual comes with just the right info for setting up and it works great. I use for 38,357,389mm 40 SNW 45 Auto ACP and 45 Colt, 223-308, 30, 307.62x54R. I would recommend this one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.